everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Stacy again. It is great to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the aluminum and plastic photo panel. The aluminum has 3 sizes and a stand comes with package. If you want to show it on your work desk, you just need to stick this stand at the back like this. The plastic one is very light. You stick the printed aluminum in the middle is okay. It is so simple. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I make them 3 mm wider than its actual size. They are common shapes, so it is no difficult to print and design. Next, based on the template, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. Aluminum is a perfect printing effect medium, especially portrait design. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, make sure your important image or text is in the safety area, the orange area. Otherwise, your design will be partially missing. Second, if you want to do portrait design, make sure people's face is not too close to the top and the blue line. That will keep your photo intact. If you want to do full print design, your design fit and not beyond the blue area is better. That will help matching your printing position. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!